Hey guys, this is Ria. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you a beautiful beauty tricks for you. And this is a golden glow peel off mask, and here we use face to face peel off facial mask, and it contains vitamin A and E, and the flavor is strawberry, so you will really like that. And it contains vitamin A and E, and you know how helpful vitamin E for our skin. Firstly, we need this peel off mask, and we can hold up this in the bowl. This is perfect. Then we need some turmeric powder. We can put this, and now we can mix this. And friends, it's a high quality facial mask that helps skin recover its youthful appearance. Formulated with vitamin A and E, this perfecting mask revitalize and maintain moisture balance of your skin, and deep cleans oil and dirt from pores and allow moisture to be absorbed into the skin. When used regularly, skin is clear, soft and fresh with lighter appearance. Friend, now I would apply it in my hand. Friends, I would apply this in my hand. Look. Apply lightly to face in an upward motion, carefully avoiding eyes. Leave until completely dry. Gentle peel away, rinsing off any residue that may remain. Just apply it lightly. Friends, you may happy to know this. It's a very beautiful peel off mask, and it really works. It's a golden glow peel off mask, so you can use it any type of occasion when you need. Apply gently like I applied this. Okay friends, so turn it until 15 minutes. Okay, so absorb this. We can wait in 15 minutes. Hey friends, it's completely dry and it's time to remove it. Look, how can I remove it? Just remove it this way. Remove it gently. And the result is in front of your eyes, and you can see how it works. A golden glow, it's in my hand, you can see that. So please try this and share with me how it works. Please subscribe us, like us and share with us please. So friends, bye bye. Till then, take care of.